Stop it. Welcome to the
We're Not Lawyers
podcast, where we talk family law and nothing that we say can be construed as
legal advice.
legal advice.
Mm.
All right, let's have a look.
What do you got for us today?
Not much, really.
Doozy?
Yeah, no.
No
really.
doozies.
No.
Alright.
So, here's a question for you, without notice. Can my ex stop me seeing my child in Australia?
Legally? Yes.
Yes. Okay.
They can.
They can.
Sadly.
All right. So let's run through it. What are you thinking?
What I'm thinking is that if your ex decides that she wishes to take out an IVO against you, that would be a method of keeping your child away from you.
Okay.
Because then you start running around the mouse wheel, having to prove certain aspects in life, depending on what the claim's going to be.
Okay, so what if there's no allegations of violence? Can your ex stop you seeing your kid?
I believe they can.
Well, so how would they do that then? Just by asserting?
Yeah, just I would say that they can make arrangements for you to see your child and then not show up.
Yeah, that's true. They could do that.
But
if they did that systematically, that's another issue, isn't it?
It is. It is.
But
you need a communication chain of either messages or emails. Phone calls aren't going to cut it.
But it's not going to really help you in the moment, is it? Though.
No.
So let's go over this systematically. Okay, so can my ex stop me seeing my child in Australia? The first thing that you alluded to was if there's a family violence order, which we've spoken about at length.
Yeah.
And that's obviously one mechanism where you're using the machinery of the state or the court or the or police or however you want to frame it. So that's certainly true. And the other
mechanism?
Yeah, the other mechanism. Well, the other sort of flow, I suppose, would be when there's no orders. And this is where it gets a little bit tricky, because you can say, can they stop you? Yes, but whether that's lawful is another matter, because if you look at the Family Law Act, Section 61B and C, which talk about that, that even without a court order, that there's supposed to be meaningful contact between both parties and their child.
Yeah.
But of course, if you don't have a court order, now you're a little bit on shaky ground, because then this question, can the ex stop you seeing your child? Well, they could, but that is remedied through the family court, allegedly.
So without any court orders, at the end of the day, you have consent of the two parents on, or an agreement that they're going to share the custody one way or another, or percentage or whatever. It's not mandated by the courts.
No. That's right. They do. I mean, when you make a consent order, for example, that's what that is. You come to an agreement.
An agreement.
But that doesn't mean that if you haven't gone to court, that's enforceable on that day. So, this question comes up a lot in anonymous participant posts on social media, in those family law groups and men's groups, etc., and women as well, facing similar issues, just probably not as much, but it's with a third party, such as a lawyer or mediator. Sometimes they actually say that you can contact your ex, like the applicant, specifically just about the childcare arrangements, etc. So, I mean, again, we've talked about this before, that it's providing or giving authority to one party to determine when you can and can't. And that really is my issue. Well, one of many issues with
system.
Yeah, with violence orders in particular, because they really do set up a situation where fathers more than mothers are not able to see their children, and that also means that children can't see their fathers. And there's a lot of research around that, like what happens if that's an extended or even a short period of time. It's quite traumatic. But that's for everyone to deal with, I suppose. All right, well, we'll wrap that up. If you have any more questions, forward them through.
Yeah, you can contact us via email at fairdincomelegal.com.au.
Yes.
And
check out the website.
And till next time. See you later.
Peace out.